W2 from Dayforce. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get W2 from Dayforce. So let's get started. First, log in, open the Dayforce application or website and log in with your credentials. Then go to year-end forms. In the main menu, select earnings. Then you will see this option. Find your W2, look for W2 form in the list of the desired year. It will show if it's available electronically or as a paper statement based on your consent. View any additional information by clicking on the option. Click here for additional information for extra instructions if needed. You can also print or save your W2 to print. Click print and choose your printer. To save as PDF, click save and select your file destination. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed to view or print properly. And that's how you will be able to get W2 from Dayforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.